To be mentioned, tied up serial number 2, Tripurari Prasad versus the state of Bihar for the petitioner Sri Vijay Ranjan.
My lords, in compliance of your lordship's order, the DGP is present in court, my lords.
Order?
3rd of August, my lord.
What happened to the LPA?
My lords, the LPA is listed.
Huh?
And the LPA is running on the list, my lords, at serial, as serial 42 before the division bench, my lords, and it is likely to be taken up before the Honorable Justice Rajan Gupta, my lords. But unfortunately, since the bench was not available, therefore it could not be taken up. But it is running on the list, my lords. And it is likely, my lords, that as soon as he will sit, my lords, we will mention. As soon as, my lords, Justice Gupta will sit, my lords, we will mention it and take it as the first case.
Huh?
My lords, it is running on the list, my lords, the LPA.
Huh.
As soon as Honorable Justice...
Now we can't urgent this matter. Have you complied or not? Where is the DGP?
My lords, the page 4 of the order, whereby my lords have directed that before taking action of reversion, my lords, a show cause notice is required to be given. And my lords, matter relating to ad hoc promotion from sub-inspector of police to inspector of police, that has to be considered by the board. My lords, so far, in the light of, my lords, the government resolution dated 11/9/2000, my lord, the matter has been referred to the board, and the board has decided the issue with reference to the government resolution. We have in the LPA a point has been raised, my lords.
No, what action has been taken pursuant to this order?
Pursuant to the order, so far as ad hoc promotion is concerned, my lords, the matter has been referred to the promotion board. That is a DPC, a DG, that is called a DG board, Director General Board. So the matter was referred to the Director General Board to consider the ad hoc promotion case. And, my lords, the Director General Board considered it, and, my lords, a decision was taken that under the this government resolution 11/9/2002, it is not admissible.
11/9/2002?
11/9/2000, it is not admissible.
It is not admissible. That a decision has been taken by the board.
By the board, DG board.
That means they have admitted. Then that means they have admitted they that they have committed error.
With regard to ad hoc promotion. With regard to ad hoc promotion.
To the extent that the petitioner is entitled to ad hoc promotion in the cadre of police inspector in terms of para 5 of the order.
Para 5. So it has been considered as per paragraph 5. And paragraph 5.
Have you issued a notice to the petitioner?
Lords, DPC stage, lords. DPC. It is grant of promotion, lords.
Correct, sir. This court has directed for issuance of notice and obtaining explanation. Thereafter, proceed to pass order.
My lords, that was with respect to grant for reversion. So reversion action is to be taken by the department. That has not yet been initiated. Lords, reversion action, when it is initiated, then in pursuance to your lordship's order, opportunity will have to be given. What in LPA it has been contended that in fact opportunity had been given. By mistake, this has not come up in the order. This is the point which has been raised in the LPA. That this natural justice had been in fact complied, and documents have been preferred that he has been given an opportunity of.
What is the date of promotion? The reversion? (22/12/2021).
22/11/2021.
Where is from that order? You point out where is the reference that petitioner was given an opportunity of hearing and his explanation and how it has been considered.
That is there. That is there. That is there. If your lordships will say, my lords, we will bring it on record. We have averred it in the LPA. That fact has also been stated.
Is it 22/11/2021 is in English?
No, it's in. This is your lordship's 22/7/2021.
No, sir. 22/11/2021 is the reversion order.
There is no order 22/11/2021, your lordship.
So what is the date of reversion order then?
Yes, that is 22/7/2021.
In that there is a reference to the issuance of show cause notice and explanation has been considered by the authority.
Yes, your lordship.
What is the date of issuance of show cause notice?
That is 8th of March 21, your lordships.
What is the date of his explanation?
Explanation, your lordship, that is उसका explanation मार्च में आप डिपार्टमेंट दिया था उसको नोटिस वो तो आप ये बोले कि डिपार्टमेंट ने हाँ होम डिपार्टमेंट ने किया यस 8/3/21 उसका जवाब ये कर दिया उसका जवाब इनका
But in para 12 of the counter affidavit, he has admitted show cause notice was not issued and it is not required. That has been extracted in my earlier order. Order passed in CWJC.
It was there, your lordship.
Page 3. Page 3 of the earlier order passed in CWJC. Director General of Police Bihar Patna has filed supplementary counter affidavit. Para 12 reads as under.
It is stated under.
In para 12 he has stated
that it is further clarified that the DG board in its meeting dated 15/6/2020 had withdrawn its earlier recommendation regarding petitioner's name for promotion from the rank of Inspector of Police to the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police. That the same was done without obtaining clarification from the side of petitioner, as Article 311(2) of the Constitution of India is applicable only during the conduction of departmental proceeding inquiry against the delinquent government servant. Here the matter pertains to rescinding the grant of promotion to natural justice. However, before convening of the DG board for ascertaining the status of the pending case against him, the petitioner Shri Tripurari Prasad himself was asked, by letter dated 13/9/2019, to provide detailed information pending vigilance case number 21 dated against him, on which he admitted the facts of the said case, while his letter dated 11/11/2019.
correct, but there is no, you have admitted show cause notice has not been issued.
That is there,
because 311(2) does not provide for it.
311(2) is your lordship for departmental proceeding. This was with respect to reversion and granting promotion with condition.
No,
We have
even otherwise, rightly or wrongly, his right is affected. If reversion is ordered, that his salary would be reduced. In that event, he is entitled to show cause notice.
We have issued show cause.
Where is the consideration?
Consideration, if my lord will get the.
Where is the consideration in the reversion order?
वो कहाँ है? Department.
Court officer, constitution book.
Department
Constitution book.
22/7 का निकालिए ना। ये कार्मिक है। पुलिस।
May I submit one thing? 1 week time may be allowed, my lord, so that we may take a chance, my lord.
No, why? Indirectly or?
Since a stay petition has been filed there also.
All right, you implement subject to result of the LPA. What is wrong in it?
Lords, it's an intra-court.
At the same time, you implement the order subject to outcome of LPA.
It is just a matter of 1 week, Lords, it is running on the list.
All right, sir, I will grant you, but you implement subject to outcome of LPA.
That will make the LPA virtually, Lords, infructuous.
Mr. Council, State Council, read Article 311. Without book, you have come here. You are quoting Article 311. Read the title of the Constitution, Article 311. Read the just title of Article 311.
Dismissal, removal, or reduction in rank.
What is meant by reduction of rank?
Yes.
Will it not amount to reversion?
It is, your lordships. But
Will it not amount to reversion? Reduction in rank. It amounts to reversion. How the Article 311 is not applicable? Not attracted?
since your lordships, if my lord may allow me to make submission, a short submission, your lordships, in the background of this case, the petitioner was, your lordships, promoted to from sub-inspector to inspector in the year 2013.
On what date?
Bonded copy of promotion. 12/11/2013.
12/11/2013. Yes.
And thereafter, my lord, he was further promoted from the post of police inspector to deputy superintendent of police. This promotion was granted by the Home Department, your government.
On what date?
On 29/1/2029. 2019. 2019.
Yes.
And immediately thereafter, your lordships, in January or February first week, it has come into the notice of the government that some
Inquiry was
vigilance case is pending against the
charge memo was issued.
For which charge memo was not issued.
If that charge memo is not issued, you are not entitled to withhold or postpone the promotion.
We have issued.
Sealed cover procedure is applicable in the state of Bihar.
My lord.
If a departmental inquiry or a criminal case is pending against an official who is due for promotion, in that event, sealed cover procedure is required to be applied. Such a procedure is available in the state of Bihar.
It is there, your lordships, in cases it is to be.
Therefore, you are required to implement the sealed cover procedure. For the purpose of implementation of sealed cover procedure, one of the requirement is that the officer must be facing departmental inquiry or criminal case. In both the cases, he should be charge sheeted. In that event only you can postpone or defer.
My lord. My
Show
lord.
me then the charge memo. What is the date of issuance of charge memo? You have to do homework.
As regards criminal cases, your lordships, the vigilance case which is pending.
Charge sheet. What is the date of charge sheet?
Charge sheet is 11/7/2006.
11/7/2006.
Cognizance was taken.
That is departmental inquiry.
No.
Criminal case.
Criminal case, your lordships.
What happened to that? It is still pending.
It is still, 9 witnesses have been examined. As latest information is up to your lordships, May 2022. 9 witnesses have been examined. Some more are left to be yet to be examined, your lordships, for which we have taken steps for securing their attendance before the special judge. And as regards your lordship, because in the year 2013, while he was granted promotion from the post of sub-inspector to inspector, it was conditional.
According to you, for both the promotion, he is not entitled because criminal case is pending.
Your lordships.
But you have not taken any action as on the date of promotion.
Even on 13/9/2021, your lordships, later dated 13/9/2021, we have issued the show cause to him, for which he replied in which we have stated that the condition was imposed while granting promotion in 2013.
So what is the condition imposed?
That was with respect to the cases pending against. I am reading to your lordships. अरे वो इसमें छोड़िए ना. That was your lordships. Newly promoted, it is in Hindi, your lordships. No प्रोन्नत पुलिस निरीक्षकों के विरुद्ध यदि कोई the persons who have been appointed freshly, your lordships, new promotional persons, if there is some departmental proceeding or is he is under suspension or is there some criminal case pending against him, then in that situation the promotion will not be granted.
No, promotion is already granted. Where is the question of will not be granted?
It was conditional, your lordships, at that point of time.
Huh?
At that point of time in the year 2013, it was not in the notice of the police headquarters while granting promotion that he is having a criminal case against him. For that, your lordships, though the letter of promotion, notification of promotion was given with this condition imposed on that. And
Sir, from the impugned reversion order, show me that you have issued a show cause notice. He has submitted his explanation. How his explanation has been considered?
वो वाला दीजिए ना, home वाला.
Reversion order is in English or Hindi?
Hindi.
It is in Hindi.
Hindi.
If you read yourself on your own and find out whether his explanation has been considered or not.
नहीं
रखा है, वही बता दीजिए और उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन जब दिया है.
नहीं सील्ड कवर वाला. वो कहाँ है शो कॉज? नहीं वो शो कॉज नहीं, वो तो जवाब है उसका. आपने जो एक मिनट यहाँ शायद इसका है रेफरेंस. एक और इसका एक और लेटर है ना. My lord, from the impugned order of reversion from DYSP to Police Inspector, your lordships, the notices have been issued by the special section of Home Department on 8/3/2021 to the petitioner.
What is the date of his explanation?
His explanation, your lordships, is 12/3/2021.
12/3/2021.
Your lordships.
What is the stand taken by him?
ये है इसका शो कॉज.
Where is that copy? 12/3/2021. Show it to him.
इसकी कॉपी है 12/3/21 की, उसके जवाब का. नहीं वो जवाब, ये तो अभी का जवाब है.
Mr. State Counsel,
My lord.
scope of contempt is very limited.
My lord.
Don't examine on merits.
No, I'm
You
not
please-
examining on merit.
Please
my lord.
implement the order subject to outcome of LPA, and also see the criminal case is pending since 11/7/2006. Charge sheet was filed on 11/7/2006. The promotion is 2013. There is a Supreme Court decision. If the belated settlement of any criminal proceedings or departmental proceedings In that event, ad hoc promotion is required to be granted. Supreme Court decision is there. You please go through that also and pass a speaking order. After giving one more opportunity, nothing will happen. You are not going to lose your prestige.
Since your lordships charges were framed as back as in 2000, charges in the criminal case was framed as back as in 2015.
2015.
My lord.
Just now you said 11/7/2006.
Then this charge sheet.
Then what?
Charges were framed by the court for.
No, charge in criminal case charge sheet only.
Thereafter, your lordship, police paper was given to him. He received the police paper in 2011.
2011. Sir, what is the date of filing charge sheet in the criminal case?
11/7/2006.
That is the hurdle for him promotion. Have you seen the sealed cover procedure guidelines or rules or circular of the state, where there is a clause in terms of Union of India versus Janaki Raman, Supreme Court decision is there. In terms of that, how sealed cover is required to be applied. For that, a guideline has been issued. In the guideline, it is one of the condition is that the officer or employee must not facing criminal proceedings like a framing of a charge in the charge sheet, in the departmental inquiry, framing of a charges. If the charge memo is issued, you have to apply sealed cover.
Yes.
Now that is the correct. Now you can apply sealed cover, but in the case, in the present case, due to delay from 11/7/2006 to 2013, Supreme Court judgment is in favor of the petitioner, because if there is a belated settlement of criminal proceedings or departmental inquiry, in that event ad hoc promotion is required to be granted.
But there was some condition.
You being a state, being a model employer, you should apply all these things. Straight away you can't jump to the conclusion.
Since your lordships,
you don't know which is the sealed cover procedure.
No, my lord. No, my lord. He did not opt the sealed cover
You are
procedure.
not asking me. See, you are not listening to me. I am
My
asking
lord,
you.
I am listening. My lord, I was listening.
Supreme
My
Court
lord,
decision.
my lord,
Which is that?
my lord, in
State of Punjab, something is there.
my lord, during pendency of either departmental proceeding or the criminal proceeding, my lord, the state employer, my
Sir,
lord.
all right, sir. I am asking you a simple question.
Ji.
Are you aware of the Supreme Court decision?
Yes.
Where is the judgment? Why you are not brought?
My lord, because
It is called Chaman Lal Goyal versus State of Punjab.
my lord, one big time may be granted, my lord. I will bring every.
So we have to adjourn. What is this?
My lord, today, my lord,
You find out Chaman Lal Goyal versus State of Punjab. If there is a delay in filing charge sheet or charge memo, in that event, employee is entitled to promotion.
Even, my lords, in this case, my lords, departmental proceeding were initiated at the very earlier stage, my lords, in which petitioner was exonerated, my lords.
All right, we are not going on.
That's why, my lords, I will
Yes,
not.
sir. You implement, sir. Before 1 week.
My lord, just 1 week, my lord, opportunity may be given.
No, sufficient opportunity is given now.
It has come on
That is the reason DGP has been asked to appear.
Well, it's true, my lord. I can see that. But we are trying our level best to
Sir,
get the matter heard.
go to his office and see that order is passed with a rider subject to outcome of LPA. What is wrong in it? Are the heaven will come down?
My lord, our LPA will get affected.
My lord,
No, why can't you, sir, you pass an order subject to outcome of LPA. If LPA, in the LPA, if you have an interim order, well and good. If it is not there, this will be in operation.
even, my lords, with regard to the promotion, my lord, from the DSP to inspector, my lords, still, my lords, awaiting, my lords, the government
It
did
is
not take any step, my
It is
lords.
not DYSP to inspector, inspector to DYSP.
With respect to, my lords, reversal, my lords. As per the, my lords, the order,
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. DGP.
Yeah.
What is your good name?
still, no.
I am Sanjeev Kumar Singhal, sir.
Huh?
I am Sanjeev Kumar Singhal.
Please go to your office by evening, 6 o'clock. You have to pass an order. Ad hoc promotion subject to outcome of LPA. Otherwise, next week I am going to frame charges against you.
Sir, if you allow me to say only one thing, sir. Whatever sir has said, there is no dispute on any of the things. But the
the government order which has been referred to in earlier court's judgment, para 5, sir, there are
Scope of contempt is limited only
Sir,
to comply the order. That's all.
we tried to implement.
Sir,
the
you can
order
you can raise these issues before the LPA bench.
because these conditions are such that in the.
Sir, are you going to implement or not?
My lords, the order says only to consider.
All right, you pass an order.
We have already passed. We have already passed.
Already
We have already
passed.
passed.
Ad hoc basis. Where is the show cause notice issued to the petitioner? Where is the show cause notice?
No, my lord. No so cause notice issued, my
Where
lord.
is the show cause notice? Therefore, non-compliance, I am going to frame charges against the DGP.
My lords, actually this order, my lord, deliberate attempt, my lords.
Contempt is between the court and the
Sorry,
accused.
sorry, my lord.
You are going to implement today, or shall we frame the charges?
Ad hoc promotion. Upon consideration of the record, your lordships, and the opinion from the Vigilance Investigation Bureau and the Special Branch, the DG board sat on 12th of August 2022 and has rejected the grant and has rejected the claim for the ad hoc promotion.
Have you issued a notice to the petitioner or not? For the third time, I am asking you. Comply the order by 6 o'clock, otherwise the charges will be framed.
My lords, may I submit one small thing? My lords, under the, as I have understood.
Sir, what is the prestige you have?
No, it is not.
Why can't you implement ad hoc?
No, it's not a question of.
That is the reason this court is giving an option.
The problem is something else. It is not the question of prestige at all.
Then why don't you implement for a few days,
My lords,
depending upon LPA decision?
my lords, I have passed an order to pass.
It is not, whatever you have passed order, it is not in terms of the order.
No, my lords, just one small thing, lords, that your lordships has directed that you consider his case in terms of paragraph 5 of the government resolution. Now, my lords, now by considering paragraph 5 of the government resolution, my lords, the conditions which has been prescribed therein.
Mr. Counsel, I will read. Before taking such a decision or pass such order, fresh notices shall be given to the petitioner in respect of aforesaid issue. Where is the notice?
No, my lords, just a moment. My lords, there are two aspects of the matter. Perhaps, my lords,
Have you issued a notice or not? Simple question.
my lords,
Show me the copy of the notice.
It has not been issued, but just.
If it is not issued, then scope of contempt is, I am going to.
Allow me to place it as well as he says. My lords, your lordships have considered two things. One, his reversion. Now, my lords, there your lordships have set it aside on the ground that notices were not given because it was necessary under 311 also, where it says that if you are reverting a person, he must be given a notice. Therefore, your lordships has set aside on that, and in that context, your lordships have referred the matter back and have stated this, that before taking such decision or now, so far as grant of promotion is concerned, my lords, the order is here. My lords may kindly see further. My lords may kindly have a look. And further, police inspector, just 3 lines above, and further police inspector to sub-inspector of police, to the extent that the petitioner is entitled to ad hoc promotion in the cadre of police inspector in terms of paragraph 5 of the order dated 11/9/2002, and further necessary action shall be taken to revert. Now, so therefore, so far as reversion part is concerned, my lords, reversion part, yes, of course, notice is required. But so far as, my lords, consideration of this paragraph 5 of
Read further. Before taking such a decision means what? Or pass order.
Before taking
Such a decision.
such decision or pass such order, fresh notices shall be given
Where is
to
that?
the petitioner in respect of the aforesaid issue, and proceed to pass appropriate order in accordance with law after due consideration and the petitioner's explanation to be. My lords, of course it is there, but
Yes, sir, of course it is there. Now you want to implement by 6 o'clock or not? Otherwise, I am going to frame charges.
my
Because
lords,
this order is dated
contrary-
14/12/2021.
That would be why he is hesitant. The
Huh?
reason why my lords, the hesitance is because my lords, he is not entitled as per the government resolution.
Sir,
That
in
is the problem.
contempt, I can't examine all those things. Scope of contempt is very
Now,
limited.
my lords,
Have
my
you
lords-
complied or not?
No, we will comply. My lords, there is no two opinions on that. My lords, because my lords would also never like us to, my lords, pass anything which is contrary to law. My lords, therefore, my lords, I am.
Sir, why you want to hesitate on merits in a contempt matter?
No, we are saying that, my lords, your lordships have said that you issue notice before taking a decision. My lords, we will issue a notice and take a decision after that, my lords.
So how many years after? How many months? This order is
No, no.
passed in the, this order is passed on
My
14/12/2021.
My lords,
14/12/2021. We are in the month of August. You are directed to take such a decision within how many days? 4
4
months.
months.
4 months. Now,
we-
4
we
more
have-
months
my
was
lords,
over.
This.
What is the date of filing LPA?
LPA.
May 2022, Your Lord.
Huh?
May
May 2000?
22.
Why the matter was not listed? Even after 4 months, almost 3 months.
No, it is listed, Your Lordship. It was.
running.
Go and obtain interim order.
My Lord, it
Yes,
is
for
listed
that,
before
because
Honorable
1 week
Division.
time only
No, sir, sorry.
It
First
is-
implement.
It is listed before Honorable Division Bench.
Sir,
to-
whatever it may be, sir, scope of contempt is limited. You comply the order, that's all. How many times you want me to repeat? Comply subject to outcome of the LPA. What is wrong in it? Is it a prestige?
My lords,
Is it a prestige of the institution? I am saying repeatedly that ad hoc promotion be granted. What is wrong in it?
my lords, my lords, your lordship's order.
There is a serious lapse on your part. You have not taken note of, as on the date of his promotion to the police inspector, that he was facing criminal proceedings. You blindly pass an order.
It was not within our notice.
Huh?
Had it been in our notice, the situation never would have arisen.
Why your police department is not party to the criminal proceedings? Don't tell me all those things.
Vigilance, that was a vigilance case. my lords.
So vigilance means the department should not know. Is it?
Any promotion granted after
Vigilance
taking
department-
vigilance clearance.
Even he was.
My lords,
My lords,
any promotion.
Call at 4:30. You have a discussion. I will take up this matter for framing charges.
my lords, may I submit one thing? My lords, we are ready to implement. My lords, there is no reason for not.
ये जो
My lords, we are here to.
Huh?
My lords, I have come here to.
Sir, I will take up at 4:30.
My lords.
Please have a discussion with your DGP,
My
either
lords-
to implement or to framing up charge.
Implement. My lords, the order says, implementing the order, that before taking such decision or passing such order, before taking such decision or passing such order, fresh notices shall be given.
Correct. You are not carried out.
No, my lords, we will carry out.
No.
We
How
will carry out. We will
Then
carry out.
then I am going to impose cost, because you have slept over the matter for 6 months, 8 months.
No, my lords, your lordships have given time for.
All right, sir. I will pass an order imposing cost. I will grant you time.
My
You
lords,
for
we are
compliance.
Only making a prayer, my lords.
No, your prayer is correct. At the same time, other side I have to see. No, I can't see only state. I have to see other side also.
My lords,
No, why the officer or DGP department of police slept over the matter till May for 5 months,
my lords,
and thereafter 3 months, no action.
my lords, the matter had gone for taking.
So you are so confident that you will.
LPA was filed after taking.
Sir, mere filing LPA is sufficient. Do you advise him as a counsel, senior counsel? Do you advise him? No, we will file LPA. Contempt we will face. Do you suggest that?
Your Lordship, just last one line and then.
Sir, I will grant you 15 days time, but imposing cost. Yes, take down.
Sir, my just one request is, sir, if we are to consider para 5, any action if we are to take under para 5.
Sir, have you issued a notice? Since December 2021.
We have issued notice on.
Show me the notice.
Sir, on separate occasions.
Sir, show me the notice, sir. What is the date of notice? Don't mislead this court. Don't mislead this court.
My lord may adjourn this matter for next week, your lordship.
Huh?
My
All
lord,
right, I will adjourn subject to payment of cost.
my lord, we will issue notice and we will do the needful.
Do whatever you want, sir. I will impose cost. It is a clear case of contempt. If you want to put back him on ad hoc basis subject to outcome of LPA by 6 o'clock, well and good. Otherwise, I am going to impose cost.
Since DG board consists of 5 more.
I don't know how you are going to constitute. It is your headache.
My lords, may I pray, my lords, let it come day after tomorrow, my lords.
Huh? No, no.
Day after tomorrow.
All right, I subject to payment of cost.
तो आज ही कर
You have committed contempt.
आज ही कर दीजिए, आज कर दीजिए। आप एड हॉक प्रमोशन दीजिए ना। Subject to LPA करिए ना, ad hoc promotion. My lord, he will pass order, your lordships.
Huh?
He will issue needful, your lordships, by 6.
By 6 o'clock.
My lord. Let it be 7 p.m. because he is here at.
By today, my lords,
By today he will do that.
Yes, take down. Pursuant to the previous order dated so and so, Mr. So and so DGP, State of Bihar, is present in the court. To stop. Perusal of the records, it is evident that police department police department was required to implement the order dated 14/12/2021 passed in CWJC 8447 of 2020. To stop. It is reliably learned that LPA was filed in the month of May 2021. Till date, there is no interim order against the order dated 14/12/2021. At the same time, there is an inaction on the part of police department in not implementing, at least issuing show cause notice to the petitioner as observed in the order dated 14/12/2021. Full stop. In other words, the concerned authority slept over the matter. Full stop. Therefore, this court has drawn inference that it is a clear case of contempt committed by the concerned respondents. Full stop. Today, Land Council for the state, on instruction from the DGP, Mr. So and so, submitted that ad hoc promotion would be granted to the respondent petitioner/complainant during the course of the day, and it would be communicated to the petitioner.
Subject to, my lords, result of the LPA.
Wait, sir, please listen. And it would be communicated to the petitioner by 18th August 2022 before 10:30 a.m. Full stop. Such ad hoc promotion is subject to outcome of LPA as well as issuance of show cause notice to the petitioner and further proceedings which would be undertaken by the concerned respondent in terms of the order dated 14/12/2021. Release this matter tomorrow. The personal appearance of the DGP so and so stands dispensed in the event of implementing the today's order.
Knowledge.
Huh?
Order will be uploaded today.
A copy of this order shall be given to the State Council during the course of the day.
My lord.
See, you need not wait, your DGP need not wait for the orders of this court. He is aware, he is present in the court. He can't take shelter stating that I am not in receipt of the order. Shall I record that also?
No.
For record only, my lords, I want to keep it.